Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tomato vodka sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 28 ounces of high-quality crushed tomatoes, 1/2 cup of vodka, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and a few aromatics like garlic and onion. Using good quality ingredients is key to a delicious sauce. We'll combine these to create a rich and flavorful base that everyone will love. Next, we'll build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add 1 small diced onion and 3 cloves of minced garlic, sautéing until they are fragrant and translucent, which takes about 5 minutes. Then, pour in 1/2 cup of vodka. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the alcohol to cook off and leaving behind a wonderful depth of flavor. Now it's time to simmer our sauce to perfection. Pour in the 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, stirring them thoroughly with the aromatics. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for at least 20 minutes or even up to 30 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Don't forget to season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Finally, we'll finish our delicious vodka sauce. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Watch as the sauce transforms into a beautiful creamy pink color. Taste and adjust the seasonings one last time. Serve this incredible sauce over your favorite pasta, like penne, and garnish with fresh basil and grated Parmesan cheese. Enjoy this restaurant-quality meal right at home.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.